What if I told you that being broke has nothing to do with how much you earn, and everything to do with how you think? Because here's the truth most people don't want to hear. It's not your income keeping you broke. It's your mindset. Build real wealth over time. Why? Because money isn't just math. It's psychology. In this video, we're going to unpack why most people stay broke, even in a world overflowing with opportunities. And if you stick with me to the end, I'll show you the one mental shift that almost guarantees you'll never be broke again. But first, let me ask you something. Have you ever added something to your cart, saw the total, and thought, I deserve it, even though your bank account screamed you don't? Yeah, we've all been there. Let's dig into why. Point 1. Instant gratification greater than long-term gain. Humans are wired for now. Our brains evolved to prioritize immediate rewards, not distant benefits. That's why saving feels boring and spending feels euphoric. Quote, "The desire for instant gratification is the silent killer of wealth. Swipe now, suffer later." Social media fuels this by showing you people in their 20s driving Lamborghinis, wearing Rolexes, and living in penthouses. But here's the part they don't post. Debt, emptiness, fake success. Wealthy people delay gratification. They trade short-term pleasure for long-term power. It's like skipping leg day at the gym. Feels fine now. But wait till your future can't stand on anything. If you can't delay, you can't grow. Which brings us to the next silent destroyer. Point 2. Identity and money beliefs. Money is emotional. If you grew up hearing money is evil, all rich people are greedy, your subconscious might literally sabotage your ability to build wealth. And sometimes it's not your spending habits that keep you broke. It's your self-image. You act in alignment with your identity. If deep down you see yourself as someone who's bad with money, you'll unconsciously prove yourself right, again and again. It's like trying to diet while calling yourself a foodie with no self-control. Good luck with that. To escape being broke, you need to upgrade your identity. Not just want to be rich. You need to believe I'm the kind of person who builds wealth, and that belief, it shapes every choice you make. But even belief won't save you if you fall for this next round. Point 3. Lifestyle creep and earning trap. So you get a raise. Great. What do most people do? Upgrade the car, buy the iPhone, move into a pricier apartment. Boom. The paycheck gets bigger, but the bank balance stays the same. This is lifestyle inflation, and it's why many people are stuck on a treadmill they can't get off. It's like running full speed, just to stay broke in style. The psychology here is dangerous. We think, I worked hard, I deserve it. But you don't build wealth by spending more. You build wealth by maintaining the same lifestyle while growing your gap between what you own and what you keep. Which leads us to the darkest trap of all. Point 4. Fear of missing out. FOMO and comparison culture. Most people don't buy things they love. They buy things they hope will make others love them. The fear of missing out on trips, clothes, events keeps you spending money you don't have to impress people who don't care. Social media turns every scroll into a comparison contest, and this constant exposure does something dangerous to your brain. It normalizes fake wealth. When $500 dinners and $2,000 outfits become your baseline, frugality feels like failure. But the truth is, most people look rich. The truly wealthy look boring. If you can resist the FOMO, you give yourself the chance to build real freedom. And now, the most powerful point of all. Point 5. Money avoidance equals money slavery. Here's the harsh truth. What you avoid controls you. Most people stay broke because they avoid looking at their bank balance, avoid learning how to invest, avoid budgeting, avoid asking for help. It's like being afraid to check your weight, so you just eat more cake. Avoidance is comforting in the short term, but in the long run, it leads to chaos. Wealthy people face their numbers head-on. They track, they plan, they learn. You can't master what you won't measure. If you want freedom, you have to take control, even when it's uncomfortable. And here's the twist. The second you stop avoiding money, you stop being its slave and start becoming its master. The people who escape financial struggle aren't the ones with the highest IQ. They're the ones who learn to master their emotions, their habits, and their mindset. They stop chasing money to impress others. They build systems. They invest early. They take small, smart steps daily. You don't need to become a genius. You need to become consistent. Wealth isn't built in a day. It's built daily. So now ask yourself, are you going to keep doing what most people do and stay broke? Or will you be the exception? If you are ready to start making smarter moves today, don't stop here. Watch my next video. The harsh truth about saving money in your 20s. It's raw, honest, and exactly what you need if you're serious about building wealth young. Tap the end screen. Now, your future self is already thanking you.